Well, I love the holidays. It's all about family, it's about food, it's about time together, some football watching, more food, more family time. So I'm Chef Richard Chamberlain. I'm the chef and owner of Chamberlain Steak and Fish. Funny story, I actually took, when I was a junior in high school, I took a home ec class to meet a girl I had a crush on. And I was an athlete, I played basketball and football, but I really fell in love with cooking in the class. And so my mom encouraged me to go to culinary school. From a young age, I always look for the very, very best ways to do things. And it was always about customer first. We're about caring first here. When our guests come in, we welcome them. Usually I know half the people here. But we welcome them and we make them feel special. That's job number one. Job number two is to make sure that the food is perfect, and we do that by buying the very best quality ingredients. You know, some people will say that we're, to some degree, a little untraditional as it relates to being a steakhouse, because you find things like Texas Wagyu beef pot stickers. From the seafood side, we buy, of course, Faroe Island salmon. We have these beautiful East Coast flounders. We have rainbow trout, sushi grade ahi tuna. Our crab cakes are to die for. We use 90% lump crab meat in there. It's just really, really the best of the best. It's not just the steakhouse, it's really something for everybody. And our menu really reflects that. And we have a lot of fun in the kitchen. We've been here for 32 and a half years. And let me tell you, Addison is the best place to have a restaurant. Success in the restaurant business is really pretty basic in my mind. You need a really good location that people can see. You need a demographic of people around you that support you and that can come often, and really have a big focus on taking care of your staff who take care of your guests. Well, 32 years goes by really fast.